In this video, I want to share with you a new product that Merch on Demand has just released, and also share with you some tips, some tricks on how to design for it and what niche would work well with this new product. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch on Demand and Etsy. If you like this kind of content, you can get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that new product that Merch on Demand just released yesterday, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch on Demand and for Etsy. So today is Friday, December 19th, 6:22 a.m. in the morning. I already got one sale and $7 in royalties, but yesterday was pretty good day. I mean, 41 sales, $46 in royalties. That is going to put me at 791 sales for the month and $1,636 in royalties. And then for Etsy, Etsy continues to do, very well. Another $200 day, almost $200 day, 185. And I ended up having 14 orders. You can see for the month, I'm almost at $5,000. I make about 50%. So you can see, I'm sitting somewhere around like, 2,000, 2,500, but probably going to end up doing around $6,000 in revenue. So maybe profit around 3,000, which is going to be really cool. And then if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch on Demand and for Etsy, links in the description. I'm also documenting my journey on making $10,000 with print on demand by the end of 2026. That's why you see these day 14, day 13, day 12, day 11. So if you want to follow me on that journey, the link is in the description. But now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So yesterday I opened up my Merch on Demand dashboard and I saw that there was a new announcement that Merch on Demand had just added the product water bottles. And I thought that was really cool. So I went ahead and uploaded that announcement to my school community. So this is what the announcement said right here. So new message from Merch by Amazon. It should be Merch on Demand. I'm surprised they haven't changed that yet. But right here, you're going to see the date from yesterday. Water bottles are now available in the U.S. for qualifying accounts. Okay, so that's something that we want to take note of because, what is a qualifying account? Then the second sentence is going to be when your account is enabled. Okay, so who knows when that will be. Options to select these new products will become available on the Create page. Please download our updated product templates to view artwork, placement, and to see our royalty page for rate details. Okay, so that was the announcement. That was the message. And if we go into the actual dashboard right here, you can click on these links right here, product templates and royalty pages to get more information. So right here, we're going to see what the product template looks like. So it's the same as tumblers and water bottles. And I don't know about you guys, but I never really uploaded too many tumblers. I did like maybe around like 100 or something like that. Only got a couple to hit. I've only had a few sales. So comment below and let me know if you've had good success with tumblers. But if we click on the royalty page right here, we have to see, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom. You scroll all the way to the bottom and right above mugs, we're going to see how much, what the default prices are, and then what the royalties will be. So for $28.99, you get $4.06, $29.99, you get $4.20. And it looks like each time you add $1, you get 14 cents more. In my opinion, this would probably be the price that I would go with, $29.99. In my opinion, if you go 30 or 31, it just with that 3 is going to make it a little higher. I always think of like Walmart, so do $29.99. I think you'll just get more sales like this. Is the 14 cents really worth it? So that's just my strategy. I would go $29.99 and get the $4.20, which I think is a nice royalty rate. So those are what the royalties look like. All right, now let's do a little product research and see if we can find some designs, some niches that will work well with water bottles. Now, unfortunately, Merch Dominator isn't really working that well. You can see right here they have this announcement due to Amazon not showing BSRs. Modules like the bestseller and seller trends have been affected. They will be fixed as soon as Amazon fixes the BSR issue. Thank you for your patience and understanding. So basically, Merch Dominator isn't working. It's not their fault, but it's because Amazon isn't showing the BSR. I remember this happened like a year ago and everybody was freaking out because everybody was like, oh my God, how are we going to copy designs now? Because they don't know what it's selling. So probably nothing major. And, the BSRs will be back. Just got to be a little patient here. But it does make research a little bit harder, but we can still do a couple things. So when I first saw this, like the first thing that came to my mind, is like, who is going to buy a water bottle? And what I thought of right away are like the main niches, which is going to be like nurses and teachers. These are people that are professionals that are on the go and they want their water bottle just kind of like they want a tumbler. So what I did is I just went to product search and we can just go to like nurse. But instead of clicking on standard t-shirt, we can scroll down here and do tumbler. Looks like they need to add in not just water bottles, but also mugs. Right here, click on tumbler, and then let's go with Merch on Demand designs. And so right here, we can see for the nurse niche, we get some ideas. And what I would recommend are like designs that are like funny, because funny always sells very well, or also designs that are very like people can really identify, like, especially with their job or relate with. So this is a good one right here. Calm down. I've done this on a mannequin. So that's a funny design. You want to find, like, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You just want to see what like has already worked before, and basically just make your own design and then put it up on a water bottle if you have them. Now, me, I don't have water bottles yet. I don't even have mugs, but no big deal. It's not really part of my strategy. I only upload to t-shirts. That's just kind of how I always done it. And I only upload onto the US market. I think everybody kind of has their own strategy on merch on demand. Some people like to do all products, all marketplaces, but me, I just do t-shirts. I could be crazy, but if you like doing like mugs and other products, this can be a good opportunity for you. But so like this design right here could work well. Calm down. I've done this on a mannequin. That's funny. See if we can find some other ones. If at first it doesn't heal, try doing what your wound nurse told you the first time. Okay, so this is a good one because it can be scaled out. You can do like travel nurse, you can do school nurse, you can do like prison nurse. This can be a scaled out one. This one's funny. I've seen this a lot. It's okay. I'm on 500 milligrams of Effidol and 1,000 milligrams of Damidol. So that's really funny. I would definitely do that one. Let's see what else we got here. My wife is okay. So looking for nurse ones, but you kind of get the idea. I'm just coming in here. I'm just seeing what kind of catches my eye, what's funny, what can be scaled. And then let's go back and let's go with like teacher and see if we can find some other good ones. Teacher. And now teacher is good because, it can be scaled out. You have all the different grades. You have all the different, professions in the teacher niche. So it's not just teacher. You can do like principal, assistant principal, school counselor. You can really scale out. But let's see if we can find anything good for school. No, that's not school. What about this one? So nothing's really popping up for school here. So let's see. It's only... Okay, so this is kind of a cool one. You can do like a music teacher, think Spanish teacher, think substitute teacher, think math teacher. I really like the teacher niche because it's so like versatile. Here's one. It's a good day to teach tiny humans about Jesus. Okay, so this is a cool one because it's like cross niching. It's taking the teacher niche and cross niching with Jesus. So think about that. Cross niching as well. That's a 671 custodian because teachers need heroes too. That's a really excuse me. That's a really funny one. Let me take a quick sip of coffee. But I think you kind of get the idea here. Some other ideas that come to mind are also like outdoor activities. Think about like people on the go, so like maybe people that go to the gym, maybe that people do hiking, maybe that people that play sports, so like volleyball. Maybe you can do like a senior for 2026 or something like that. That could work. But let's go ahead and now jump on over to ChatGPT and see if we can actually get some more ideas. All right, so here we are on ChatGPT, and I just asked it merch on demand, or I said merch on demand just announced that they're adding water bottles. What would be some good niches to target for this product? And it says this is a great product added by merch. So here they said they recommend, fitness and the gym. So we have gym rats, CrossFit. Now I think CrossFit is trademarked, so don't do that. But anything related to the gym, you can kind of niche down. Maybe think like gym coaches or gym instructors, or certain type of gym rats, because there's people that are like really just into like powerlifting. Maybe do like a deadlift one, a squat one. Here we have professions. So this is what I was kind of talking about earlier. So teachers, nurses, EMT, firefighters. You really want to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your friend. Now with AI, print on demand is a lot easier than it used to be, than when us old fogies used to start. I remember, I didn't have these resources. I didn't have ideograms, so it made it a lot harder. I had to actually think for myself. But now we can use ChatGPT, and it just gives us all these great ideas. So teacher fuel, nurse hydration stations. That's pretty, it's even giving us like phrases that we can use. Next niche that's recommending is sports parents and youth sports. So think baseball mom. Actually, I think baseball mom is a trademark. So always make sure that you're checking everything. But you can do, I do baseball mama. I think that's safe. Baseball dad, soccer mom, football mom, dance mom, cheer mom. So those are some good ones. And then here it's talking about outdoor activities, like I mentioned, hiking, camping, van life, RV life, national park lovers, beach lovers, mental health. So anxiety, awareness, therapy, humor, self-love quotes, funny, sarcastic, school and college life, yoga. So it's giving us just a ton of ideas here. So I think you can kind of, these should keep you busy, but just want to share with that just to give you some new ideas. And if you want to join a supportive community so you don't feel like you're alone on this print on demand journey, you might want to consider joining my school community. besides, having the support from the community and being able to ask questions, not just to me, but to other people in the group. You also get like niches every day with prompts for print on demand and for Etsy. So you get a lot of value there. I also just added a bunch of things or cleaned up things to the classroom. So you get like a mini course, Etsy mini course. As a sign-up bonus, you get 1,900 print-on-demand prompts. I basically took all my prompts from my PayHip shop and put them in here. GPTs, I'm up to 20 GPTs. So there's like 7 for merch. There's like 4 for Etsy. Then I have these niche GPTs for like specific niches, like, the alien niche, the teacher niche, the nurse niche. There's a whole bunch of them, even some KDP GPTs. And I started offering these coaching programs. So like if you want like an accountability coach, if you want to just do a one-on-one call with me, a 30-day coach, and even an Etsy shop critique. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the description. You can just go ahead and click on it and watch this video right here. It will talk a little bit more about what this is about. And then you can also see the results that people are getting from these, from the group or from the community. So 46 sales in one day. Here we got first sale. These are like my favorite ones where people post their first sales, not just for merch on demand, but also for Etsy. I think this one says first sale Etsy. Yeah, my first sale on Etsy. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free YouTube content here on YouTube. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.